Saab Missiles, a part of Saab Defense, proudly presents the Anti-Ship Missile System Saab RBS-15, a defense system which does justice to your tactical skill. Its high technology is based on 50 solid years of experience. Our military production started at the beginning of World War II with a bomber aircraft, the B-17, designed and produced by Saab for the Swedish Royal Air Force. It was in service from 1941. The technical success of the B-17 was followed by a series of others. The twin-engined Saab B-18 with its revolutionary bomb sight. The Saab J-21 with pusher propeller, ejection seat, and nose wheel by 1943. The following decades saw the development of such aircraft as the Saab J-29 Tunnan, the so-called Flying Barrel, which broke world speed records when introduced. The Saab 32 Lansen, the first Swedish aircraft to fly through the supersonic barrier. The Saab 35 Draken, with a new delta wing design enabling it to take off and land on roads. The Saab 37 Viggen, faster, more versatile than ever before. And the Saab JAS-39 Gripen, our latest multi-role aircraft. The other companies in the Saab-Scania group have a similar history of innovative achievements within such areas as civil aircraft and cars. Parallel to the military aircraft development, Saab Missiles has designed and produced equally successful defense electronics and highly advanced missiles. For example, air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missiles. All our products have one common purpose: to offer a widened spectrum of possibilities, to be tools that do justice to the skill of their users. The anti-ship missile family Saab RBS-15 is such a tool. In a critical situation, for example a naval attack or even an invasion, the Saab RBS-15 will match up to your tactical skill. It is fast in deployment and target data handling, offering you a range of tactical possibilities from which you can quickly choose for maximum effect. It is smart enough to carry out your decisions despite hostile countermeasures by maximizing the effect and minimizing the effort. It is accurate. Its high hit probability has a devastating effect on any target up to heavy cruisers. The anti-ship missile Saab RBS-15 is fast, smart, and accurate. Let's look at some of the tactical possibilities for a mobile battery. The battery commander is guided by information from the battery's own radar, plus other external sources. Your own coastline and the target area are displayed on the screen, supporting tactical decisions for the approach, where you can choose either a direct approach or an indirect approach by means of tactical waypoints. And you can choose to fire either in singles or in salvos, or in a mix with the missiles arriving simultaneously in the target area. The choice and type of target is a vital parameter. You can program the system to select a specific large target within a group of targets, to a target randomly chosen within a group of targets, to a jamming target, or to a chaff firing target. The Saab RBS-15 flies at pre-programmed altitudes. Once over the water, it sea-skims towards its target. Missiles approaching indirectly will mislead, particularly when fired in salvos. The highly intelligent seeker automatically selects the correct target, discarding and disregarding false, irrelevant, or jamming targets. This is how the Saab RBS-15 works.
Naval force is approaching. An intrusion like this requires an efficient counterattack. There's no time to lose. We've got to be fast, smart, and accurate. It's time for the anti-ship missile family RBS-15. RBS-15 from aircraft. RBS-15 from ships. RBS-15 from trucks, from highly mobile, smart missile batteries which can be hidden virtually anywhere. The battery is rapidly deployed. It's concealed and may be placed many miles from the coastline. Once deployed, it has an extremely short reaction time. In just a few minutes, it's ready to launch. Based on the PPI screen's data and coastline, trajectory and parameter settings are made, such as the target, position and size, the trajectories, direct, indirect, or a mix, the number of missiles in each salvo, the seeker search area, whether or not homing on Jana or chaff discrimination is required. All set, ready to go. High alert and fire. RBS-15 responds rapidly, intelligently, and accurately to the threat. Here's a truck-launched one on its way. The battery is redeployed so fast that it can be back on the move before the missiles have even reached the target area. Our RBS-15 makes an initial course change and continues its flight over land towards the coastline. It descends to cruise at low level over water. Then it makes a tactical course change, turns towards the target area, and starts the seeker. It's approaching a pre-selected target, and there's already considerable electromagnetic interference to cope with. But it still locks onto the target. It now descends further to sea skimming level, entering the attack phase, speeding towards the target. There are more RBS-15s on their way, launched in singles or salvos, approaching different targets along various trajectories. The aggressor has detected our RBS-15 and responds with strong countermeasures. But the RBS-15 is smarter and highly resistant to countermeasures. It will not lose its target. The RBS-15, fast, smart, and accurate. The RBS-15 can easily be adapted to your specific requirements. Your tactical skill and our RBS-15, an unbeatable combination.
Such an adaptation means, among other things, that your system performance is tailored to your tactical environment. It also means that no one else, not even Saab missiles, can predict the behavior of your RBS-15 missiles in an actual naval battle. A truly unique facility for the adaptation is Saab Missiles Laboratory for Electronic Warfare Simulation and Testing. Here you can extensively and accurately simulate and study your projected electronic threat in order to optimize your target seeker performance. Electronic warfare, however, does not always need to be an issue. By using our Saab RBS-15 surveillance system, you can avoid the problem entirely. Using its passive IR detection, you'll see without being seen. The highly mobile RBS-15 provides you with a continuous view of the horizon around, plus automatic target detection and a variety of operational modes. For example, you can choose between automatic and semi-automatic target designation. The targets may be landing vessels, tanks, or aircraft such as helicopters. And speaking of tanks, Strix is our smart anti-tank find, hit, and kill projectile. It uses a highly accurate IR target seeker. Mortar-launched Strix has a full-caliber warhead, capable of devastating even those targets protected by explosive reactive armor. Strix is guided by its IR seeker during the final phase and directed to its target by a smart guidance control system, day or night, irrespective of the speed of the target. Strix's extremely high hit probability has been successfully proven in detailed live demonstrations for military personnel from all over the world. While Strix is one grenade versus one target, the Saab missile's anti-submarine warfare system ASW-600 could be said to be many grenades versus one target. The ASW-600 is a multi-barrel launcher system for shallow and blue waters. Up to 36 grenades can be spread in a selectable pattern over a pinpointed submarine. The effect can be varied. The submarine is sunk or forced to the surface. All these products from Saab missiles offer new tactical possibilities. They do justice to your tactical skill. Our tools and your tactical skill, an unbeatable combination. Saab missiles, part of Saab defense.